Welcome crafters, I do hope you enjoyed making last week's freebie. I know I did. This week we have a show-stopping card sent in by Cynthia Massey and a jaw-dropping freebie by our lovely Carol Dunne. Let me start with the card that Cynthia sent us in. This one is a mail card and can be used for both Father's Day and birthdays. It's called Fathers Day Daydream Decoupage and is a very colourful card, don't you think? The cup number for this stunner is cup 966358_3367, and it also has a matching insert which is cup 966359_367. Just let me open that up for you so you can see inside. Isn't that lovely? Let me show you. Top one and a bottom one. Absolutely gorgeous. Just adds to the card. Wow. Crafters, I think that would look fantastic on anyone's windowsill and mantelpiece. Cynthia has mounted the decoupage onto a white card, as you can see there. Fantastic hole punches around the edge. She's added a glossy accent to the gentleman's mouth there, onto the dog's nose as well. A black furry rug, as you can see there. A red furry cushion just there. I think it all adds to it, I do. She's added a bone charm there onto the furry bit there, onto the carpet. And in Dad's hand, he's got a bottle opener, the clock to the wall there, perfect for any occasion. The bottle is dreaming about the bottle opener. Dad is dreaming about the beer, and the dog is dreaming about his bone. To complete, she's added a coordinating bow. Very quickly and easy to cut out this card is. It really is simple to assemble and it's suitable for any occasion. An absolutely brilliant card. Okay crafters, it's freebie time. This is this week's freebie by Carol Dunne and is now available to download for free on our weekly giveaway page. As you can see, it's beautiful. The title of this one is called Fold Back Pop-Up Belle Roses and the cup number is cup 577851_173. These fold back kits have a pop-up inside and are really easy to make. This one is decorated with belle roses, lilac cut out butterflies, lots of lovely lilac and cream ribbon. The verse inside reads, I hope lovely surprises are coming your way to make your birthday a wonderful day. I absolutely love the punched edges on this one. It really makes it stand out from the crowd. I now want to hand you over to our lovely Carol, who will make you and show you how to make this amazing freebie download. Over to you, Carol.
My name is Carol Dunne and I'm a designer with Craftsuprint.com. Today I'd like to show you how to make one of my new fold back cards which has a pop-up inside. As you can see, I've cut out all the pieces I need already. I've also scored along this line and this line, and I'm going to fold it back like this, and then I'm going to cut down there with scissors. And then I'm going to score on these dotty lines. And I'm going to push this bit out and this bit back. and then this flap then folds like that. I've put some sticky pads on the back of the verse, and I've already taken the plastic backing off, so that goes there. And also for the corner, triangle corner pieces. Now to add the pop-up bit, which is going to go in there. For this I'm using strong all-purpose glue, because I want it to fold flat when it goes like that. And that fits up to the edge there. Like so. I've already put sticky pads on here, so I'm going to match the square shapes up. Let me see, which way round does that go? That's it, goes that way.
Wow, thanks Carol, you did a spectacular job of making this week's freebie. I'm sure the crafters will love making this one. I know I will. Well, that's it for this week. I do hope you enjoyed the show. Cynthia's card was brilliant, and what perfect timing for Father's Day coming up very soon. Let me just show you again and remind you of the cup numbers. The cup number is cup 966 358 _ 3367, and it also has the matching insert, which is cup 966 359 _ 3367. As you can see there you go, it has two parts. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you come back same time, same place next week for yet more freebies and crafting ideas. See you next week, and don't forget, if you enjoy these freebies, please tell your friends and share. Bye!